Hello, good day and welcome. I will be solving NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 23. Which of the following is a store document? A. Bin card. B. Letter of inquiry. C. Order. D. Quotation. And E. Trade journal. So we are asked to pick an option which is a store document. Now, store documents includes bin card. Bin cards are store documents. Store ledger card. We also have the store requisition. And goods received notes. Goods received notes. So all these are store documents. Now A says bin card. Like I said, store documents includes bin card, so definitely A is a store document, bin card. And this is because it shows the details of information about goods that are kept in store. It shows the details or the detailed information. It shows detailed information about goods kept in store. Now, letter of inquiry, order, and quotation are they are sale documents. They are sale documents. That is, they are documents that are used for They are used for sale transaction. So letter of inquiry, order, and quotations are sale documents. They are used for for sale transaction between two or more parties. They are not store documents. Now E here says trade journal. Now trade journal is where you record and review daily trades for better output and future reference. So therefore trade journal is not a store document. And so the only store document in this option is option A, that is bin card, because it shows the detailed information about goods kept in store. So the answer to this question is option A, bin card. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.